Are you looking for a solid workout sneaker to endure those long workouts?
Perfect.
Hello broskies, welcome back to another edition of Buy or Buy. If we haven't met before, I'm Erkin. This is the life of a broski. I have got the Nike Zoom Super Rep. There's so much going through my mind at this current moment. I don't know what to think. What is this? What is that about? Is that a bubble? That's an air bubble, okay. Not sure how to feel, but different. Going around the back of it, reminds me of Presto. The Nike Prestos, a little indented on the midsole at the back. So we have got some writing on the side. It says, Dare, Defy, Do. Designed for high intensity classes. We have got air above the bubble at the front. It is a mad design. Mad design. Yeah. On the front, we have got Super Rep. We've got that sock-like feature that hugs your ankles on the top. And of course, we've got the pulley at the back. And we've got the laces at the front that go slightly underneath a sleeve-like design on the upper. If you can see that, look, you know, can you see? It's like a sleeve. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Got the massive swoosh going all the way across the sneaker at the top. Okay, and then underneath, which is where I think it's happening the most. Got the air bubbles here, of course, and we've got that slight gap in the middle. Now, at first glimpse, I really don't know what to make of these. There's a lot going on. But of course, when it comes to workout sneakers, they're not meant to look the best, but they're meant to be practical. So I'm gonna try these on very, very quickly. I'm gonna see how they feel on foot, if they're true to size, and of course, if they're a buy or a buy. So broskies, I'll see you in a tick. So broskies, I've just tried these on Nike. I'm very disappointed. I really feel like this time you overdid it. There were a lot of things you didn't need to do. Like this whole gap here, what's the point? There's no point. Like the air bubble here. Like why? Now here's a little fitness tip for you guys. When you're getting sneakers, the sole of the sneaker needs to be flat. That enables you to move your ankle as freely as possible. As you can see from this sneaker, it is slightly raised. So your feet are going to be like that a lot of the time, which means your ankles are going to be doing a lot of stabilizing. Whereas if you had a sneaker that was flat on the sole, you wouldn't have that problem. I feel like the stability on these is very, very bad. They are very light and breathable, but I think that's about it. The design isn't very nice to look at. They don't feel very nice on foot when you're moving about. So if you were to work out and do a high intensity interval training class, in these, I don't think you'd have the best time. They are very light and breathable, and they do take a lot of the shock factor out of the impact when your feet are touching the ground. But that's it. Stability goes out the window. Your feet are gonna be moving all over the place. So these are definitely not the go-to sneakers I would go for when it comes to workouts. In terms of of sizing, they are true to size. These are a UK 9 and I am indeed a 9. So broskies, I'm gonna have to give these a buy. Let me know down below what you think. Are these your go-to sneakers? Are you thinking about getting them? Or if you've got any other workout sneakers in mind you want to try. And of course, I will be pinning the best comment, so get typing and let me know. And as always, broskies, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and of course, until the next episode, take care. You made a